Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here I have Nokia 5210, two pieces. Well, can't actually say a restoration. This phone has modular body shell. You can just take it up, down, and that's it. There, open them up, clean them, and put the new body shells that I have over there, which you can see. So let's begin. And here they are. I'm not gonna start them now because they both work. I've already tested that. So I'll have to do them in parallel. Let me just take all of these screws. It. Yeah. Even I'm gonna have to. What the heck was this thing? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do like this and not confuse them. Clamp, display, earpiece, and speaker actually. Main board looks like this. Yeah, this thing just fell, which by the way, this thing, it's from a Nokia 3310, the same pins. This, the vibration router, which is also held in this rubber housing. This metal, well, let's say square ring. Microphone, huge one by that. Connectors, and now the antenna. That's one. I'm gonna put this here. This is the second main board. This just fell on their own. This thing will held in place in these 4 spots. You know, I'm also gonna take out these clamps that holds the body shell in place. See, it has these the clamps has these clamps. I just said that. I'm pushing the clamp and also pushing it out. And I accidentally push it back, dang it. Something like this. That's out. This thing just comes out like this. There's no need for me to take the spring out. So let me show you up close here what I'm doing. I'm pushing this clamp inside like this, and with this other side I'm pushing it outside the body shell. I hope you can understand what I'm doing. I'll get to clean those babies and be right back. and they are clean and ready to be assembled. So let's begin. Maybe I can do two at the price of one, something like that. Oh, boom. So I'm just sliding it in here. Like this. There we go. Okay. I'm also pulling the this little metal plate, that holds the SIM card, so I can put this back in its place, you know. On the left side shouldn't be that problematic. There we go. Holes for these 4 pins, just push them inside and that's it. Here as well. This is an easy and pleasant phone. Okay. The bottom ports. How did this jump there? Now for the microphone. Make sure not to make this mistake. When you put the display in, make sure this white thing here goes underneath it, like something like this. There you go. See? This white black stick goes over the frame. Again, the earpiece. Also here. This one has a missing screw here. I have to look for one. Okay, good one. Good, nice and done. You don't see the SIM card, bro? It's because of my camera lens filter that you can't see the screen correctly. The screen works. It also has a picture editor and thermometer. 27 degrees only. Oh my god. So I've changed the battery from that one and now it works. So maybe a freaking battery problem. In case you don't believe me, this phone is in Romanian. That 30 degrees. That other one it's in English. Out of curiosity, will this one work with this battery? Now it works. They both work, which is a good thing. Well, that's enough of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. This is an easy phone to disassemble and put back together. I only disassembled it to clean it. Other than that, it didn't need anything. Just a new body shell. Yeah, well, all the best guys and girls. Bye bye.